Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to do a simple numbers guessing game. So what I'm going to do is, in fact I don't even need time there, so I don't need to import that module. I'm going to create a variable called secret number. I'm going to assign it to 20, so this will be the secret number. So the variable will store this number in it. Now we're going to create a function called numbers. Now I'm just going to call it numbers game. Okay, now we're going to do a while true loop, and that's going to include a variable called numbers. We're going to assign that variable to int, which is integer, because we're going to type in a number, you see, so that's input. And then simply tell the user to enter number 1 to, let's say, 50. So that's the range that they're going to be guessing the number. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to import the random module in here. So import random. Now I'm not sure if random module is included in Python or whether you'll have to install it using pip. I can't actually remember, but if it doesn't work then you might have to install it using pip. Alright, so all we do now is create a conditional. So if the number is equal to secret number, so if the number that the user has typed in is equal to the secret number, then we're going to print a message to them. Print you guessed correctly. So if you do that, you're going to get a special prize. So I'm going to create another function here called special prize. Okay, so it's just going to take us straight to the function special prize, which I'm going to create now. So this is special prize. Okay, so what we're going to do, this is where we're going to use the random function. So we create a variable called random winnings, and we assign that to random dot random integer, and we're going to do a random integer from 10 up to 500. So we'll generate a random number from 10 to 500. Then what we do is we print, and we're going to use the F string here. You've won. Then we're going to interpolate the number into that. So you've won, and that's going to be random winnings. And that's going to be dollars. Dollars. Okay. Right, so just to finish off this, if the number isn't equal to the secret number, else simply print try again. Right, so let's just go through that. So while true, so this keeps it in the loop. Else, okay, that looks about right. Now all we have to do is just call it. And we call it by its name, which is going to be numbers game. Save it. Let's run the program. Okay, so there we go. Enter. Oh, between 1 and 50. I should have formatted that a bit better. Let's just run it again. Let's just run that again. Okay, make the formatting a little bit better on there. There we go, that's better. So enter a number, so I'm going to enter 10. Try again, 7. Okay, that's wrong. Okay, let's type in the correct number, which is 20, and there you go. You've guessed correctly, you've won $130. Okay, and you can do that again, and you can change the values here. You can change anything. That's just a random value. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button now, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.